In this third part of this series, let's peel back the curtain and see how the stock market really works. But first, this disclaimer. You are responsible for your own investments. Everything in this video is for educational purposes only. The stock market is like a massive, complex machine with gears constantly turning. Here, we'll look into the process of buying and selling stocks, understand what market indices are all about, and get a grip on how stocks are priced. Ready to dive in? Let's roll. First up, buying and selling stocks. This might seem daunting, but think of it like an online marketplace. Except instead of buying gadgets or clothes, you're buying pieces of companies, whether it's through a brokerage platform or a stock exchange. The process is managed electronically today, making it quick and efficient. You place an order, it's matched with a seller, and voila! You're a shareholder. If you get value from what you see here, hit the like button. We highly appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe so you are in the front rows and miss nothing. Moving on to market indices. These are like the highlight reels for the stock market, showing the top-performing stocks and giving us a snapshot of market trends. For example, the S&P 500 includes 500 of the largest companies and is often used as a benchmark for the overall market health. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average tracks 30 significant industrials, reflecting major sector trends. Now let's talk about market pricing. Stocks are priced through a continuous auction process. The price changes based on supply and demand. More buyers than sellers push prices up, while more sellers than buyers push them down. This pricing is influenced by everything, from economic indicators to company performance and global events. And what about trading hours? Unlike your local store, stock markets have specific hours. For instance, the New York Stock Exchange operates from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. But there's also after-hours trading, which happens before and after the official hours, allowing investors to react to news events that occur outside of regular trading times. Understanding these elements helps you navigate the stock market more effectively and make informed decisions. Remember, every investor was once a beginner, and every expert had their first trade. With knowledge and practice, you too can master the art of stock trading. Don't forget to subscribe to go along with us, and talk about your own experience of the stock market in the comments below. Arrivederci, everyone.